Hi everyone, so in this video I want to show you how you can actually transform your plain shirt from looking boring to something that has more beautiful classy look like this. It's very simple, but it turns your shirt from looking boring to looking more beautiful. So if you want to learn how to do that, please stick with me. First of all, you need your B7000 glue. You need your transparent thread. I'm emphasizing on transparent thread. You need your needle, and then you need your rhinestone. You can get like this rhinestone, you can get anyone you like, but this particular one has no place where you can actually put thread. So I highly recommend when you're buying, please buy the one where you can put your needle and your thread. There's a reason why I'm saying it. For example, like this one has at the bottom where you can put multiple points where you can put your needle and thread in order to tack it together to your shirt, apart from using the white glue. And also the reason why I also want to do this is for you to know that you can actually do it. Yeah, you can buy the shirt with this or you can do it. I know lots of people or maybe people that might be watching this might be saying, why are you actually doing this? What I'm actually doing it is for you to know there are some things you can actually do yourself. And so when you want to start, please map out your designs. Go to Pinterest, choose any design or any style you want, then map it out. I use pencil to map it out so you might not really see it. So use pencil, map it out so that you will not make any mistake, so that you will not glue it at where you didn't want to. And then lay out your rhinestones. Just put everything down. Just lay down your rhinestones so that you will not make mistake. It's very important. I know the reason why I'm saying because so that you don't make the mistake I made. Then use your glue and glue them. When it is done, please allow it to dry. When I finished doing this and when it dried, the next day I wore it out and I washed it. And it felt like as if it was going to peel. It didn't really peel, it didn't peel, it didn't remove, but I felt like as if it was going to remove. So to save you the stress of actually wasting 30 minutes and the next day after washing it, it's removing, it's better you tack it with your needle and thread. That is the reason. If you use this glue, it did not come out on the first wash I did. So I don't know if you do it multiple times whether it will come out. I don't know. But to prevent any adenine, it's better you use your transparent thread. So this was the next day. After washing it, I had to come back to use my transparent thread to tack it back together. So one thing I want to point out, please, one thing I want to point out is when you want to thread your needle, please make sure that the threads are not equal because when you want to do hand sewing, you make sure that they're equal and you tie the knots at the end. Please do not tie the knots at the end. The reason why I'm saying is because when you make a mistake, because one is longer than one, you can pull out your needle, remove out the thread, then put back your needle and start again. But once you tie the both knots together, once you put your needle and put it down, you make a mistake. You cannot. The only solution is to cut it and start from the beginning. So to prevent you starting all over, because it might look simple, but this it's not easy because you have to go through every single holes in order to make it strong. So for you to prevent yourself from starting all over again, please make sure that the thread are not equal. One is longer than one, so that when you make mistake, you can remove your needle, remove the thread from the wrong place you put it, then put back your needle and tack it. It will help you. So make sure you go through every single holes so that it will be strong, so that you don't have to come back again to start from the beginning. So as you can see, the reason why I was recommended the transparent thread because you can actually use white thread or any color you want, that is the color of your shirt or the color of the dress you're making. The reason why I'm emphasizing the transparent is because you will not see it. Even if you are the kind of person that don't know how to sew and you sew nonsense, it will not be visible because you're using a transparent thread and nobody will see it. But when you're using maybe another color, because the rhinestone is white and probably maybe the shirt you're trying to sew it's blue or some other color, we might see it if we look very well. But if you're using a transparent thread, nobody will see it. The reason why I'm saying it's because after I finished doing this, I actually did it on another shirt. So as you can see, you're not seeing anything, even the back. You have to look very closely in order to see anything. Then I also did it on another shirt. As you can see, this shirts I use transparent thread, so we cannot see it. So that's the reason why I recommend you using transparent thread. But you can use blue if you want to use, but I highly. So this was the final outcome of the shirt with the rhinestone. So even if you wash it multiple times, it will not come out because you use your transparent thread to hold it together. So this was the final outlook of it. So guys, what do you think of the shirt, of the design? So see you guys in my next video. Bye.